First of all, we'll discuss parliamentary system. First is Westminster model or British model. Second is West European model or German model. The third is semi-presidential or hybrid model. Or dual executive model. This term was used by Herbert Marry, 1959, but was popularized 1978 by Duverger. Now, this is also classified into two types. One is called premier presidentialism and president parliamentarism. So these are different types of parliamentary systems across the world. Written? Now, when you look at this Westminster model, certain features are there. Like, you can note down, generally bicameral legislature means two houses. First characteristic feature of Westminster model or British model. Generally bicameral legislature comprising two houses. Second point is, very often the lower house is directly elected. Very often the lower house is directly elected through FPTP system. That is, first past the post system. Candidate securing maximum number of valid votes is declared elected. third feature is debates and deliberations are given precedence over the committee system. Debates and deliberations are given precedence over committee system. Means what? Precedence over committee system. Means if any resolution, any bill is introduced in Parliament, it has to be debated. Committees are also there. Committees may also recommend certain changes, or committees may also recommend certain additions or deletions, whatever. But in any case, the bill or the resolution has to be passed only after debates and discussions. Right? That is, there are three core features. Lower house is directly elected most often. There are few exceptions. And generally it is bicameral, having two houses. And most important thing is debates and discussion. Okay? Exceptions are Ireland and Australia. Why exceptions? Because their lower house is also indirectly elected. You can write, no, they follow Westminster. Two features of the three features, two are similar, but the lower house is not elected directly. That is not through FPTP. The lower house is also elected through proportional representation. So Ireland, Australia, Israel, New Zealand, through proportional representation. So these are the exceptions, and that is the question for your prelims. Okay. The two best examples are, obviously the name itself tells, UK or Britain and India. Right? Then West European model is just opposite. Right now, West European model or German model. First point, the committee system is given precedence over debates and discussions. The committee system is given precedence over debates and discussions. And second point is, the legislature is indirectly elected through proportional representation. Directly elected through proportional representation. Both the houses. If bicameral, both the houses are indirectly elected through proportional representation. The best examples are Germany, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, etc. Head, not head, legislature, indirectly. Proportional representation is the method of indirect election. Single transferable vote or list system. So you give preference to candidates, preference number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you cast vote, and then you calculate, and you transfer the vote according to the proportion. If the candidate who has secured the least number of votes he is removed from the list and his votes are transferred among other candidates in accordance with the proportion set. That is indirect election through an electoral college.